Hey friends, today we're going to look at crow, one-legged crow, and maybe moving from one-legged crow to handstand. Let's start in yogi squat. Press the elbows into the inner thighs and spread wide across your upper back. Plant your hands shoulder width apart, gripping into the fingertips. Lift the hips up high. Bring the knees high on the arms, bending the elbows. Look forward as you lean forward. Pull your right heel in, curling the toes, and then the left. Draw the left knee into the center and begin to reach the left leg up high towards the sky. Draw the left knee back in, pull the heels in close, curl the toes, and come back to yogi squat. Let's try the other side. From yogi squat, plant the hands shoulder width apart. Lift the hips high, lifting the right heel and then the left. Curl the toes. Right knee comes into the middle. Reach the leg up as high as you can. Draw the right knee back in, high on the arm. Curl the toes and set it back down, yogi squat. This is really hard, but if you want to get crazy and try to move from one-legged crow to handstand, we'll start out the same way. From yogi squat, plant your hands shoulder width apart. Round your upper back. Bring the knees as high as you can on the arms. Curling the right toes, pulling the heel in close to the glutes, and then the left. Draw the left knee into the center. Reach the left leg up as high as you can, trying to stack the hips over the shoulders. Lean forward and then straighten the arms. Keep lifting up through that left leg, pulling the right knee in close. Let's land back down. Draw the right knee in high on the right arm. Keep lifting through the left leg and then draw it in. When you're ready, come back down. It's not easy. It takes a lot of practice. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hit the like, share the love. Namaste.